All right, here's some help with the Turkey Tom rhythm practice if you decide to do this one. So be my echo, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And when you're going through this song, that's what you can do. You can listen while they play the first line, and then you join them on the second line. So let's try that with their song here. Oops. Well, maybe I can't do that right now. Let's try this. There we go. So the first time we're going to listen. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, he played rhythms everywhere. And then we'll go on to the next one. So let's look at what the next one looks like. Actually, that's not the next one. There we go. So you're going to listen to them and they're going to play. Then you echo back. So that's ti, 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 ta, ta. And then you're going to see some that have, if I can find one, it has a blank one that doesn't have a blank beat, that doesn't have a turkey in it, and that's going to be a rest. So we don't do anything there. So this one you're going to hear, and then you play back. Do the best that you can. When you see a blank one, remember you're going to rest. 2 turkeys, ti, ti. 1 turkey is ta, and you just echo back. So they're going to play one, and then you echo back the second line. I hope you have fun.